In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover from a Google Ads disapproval for malicious or unwanted software. If you've ever encountered this issue, you'll know how frustrating it can be. But don't worry, we'll walk you through the steps to resolve it efficiently and get your ads back up and running. First, open your preferred internet browser and head over to the Google Ads homepage. You can do this by typing Google Ads into your search engine or navigating directly to ads.google.com. Once you're on the homepage, the next step is to log into your account. The sign in button is usually prominently displayed at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and enter your login credentials. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, make sure to complete that extra security step to gain full access. After signing in successfully, you'll be directed to your Google Ads home interface. From here, we need to go a bit deeper to address the disapproval issue. Locate the menu at the top of the screen and click on Tools and Settings, often represented by a wrench icon. This section is crucial because it gives access to all the features necessary for troubleshooting. Next, under the Tools and Settings drop-down menu, select Troubleshooting. This area provides various options designed to help you identify and address issues Google has detected with your ads. It's a handy feature that removes a lot of guesswork and helps you understand why your ad may not be running. Once inside the troubleshooting section, the next critical step is to visit the Policy Manager. Click on Policy Manager to gain insights specifically related to policy issues, including unwanted software or any perceived threats Google may have identified in your ads. Here, you can see all the policies your ads have potentially contradicted, giving you a clear understanding of why your ad was disapproved. Following these steps will lead you directly to the heart of the issue and guide you toward the necessary adjustments for your campaigns. This process is key for maintaining compliance and ensuring that your ads continue to run smoothly without further interruptions. By following this guide, you should be well on your way to resolving any disapproval issues highlighted by Google Ads. Remember, staying updated with Google's policy changes and regularly reviewing your ads will help prevent future problems and ensure smoother operation. With patient and careful attention to the steps outlined, you'll have your campaigns running safely and effectively again. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this helps get your ads back on track quickly and efficiently.